Genspark plus Veo 3.1 is insane. Today I'm going to show you how to make pro videos without filming anything. Google just dropped Veo 3.1 and it's completely free on Genspark until November 3rd. This is the biggest AI video breakthrough I've seen. You type words, it makes videos with sound, no camera, no actors, no studio, and I'm going to give you the exact prompts to make UGC content. So let me tell you what just happened. Google released Veo 3.1 on October 15th. This is their AI video model, and Genspark said you can use it for free. One free video, no credit card, no catch, until November 3rd at 11:59 p.m. PDT. Now, here's why this matters. Most AI video tools give you garbage. The people look weird, the motion is janky, the audio doesn't match. Veo 3.1 fixed all of that. It makes real looking videos with real sounding audio from just text or from images or both. I'm going to show you exactly how to use this. But first, you need to understand what makes Veo 3.1 different, because if you don't get this part, you're going to waste your free video. Veo 3.1 has native audio built in. That means dialogue, sound effects, background music, all generated. You don't add it later. It comes with the video. So when you prompt it, you tell it what sounds you want. I'll show you the exact way to write these prompts in a second. It also has better prompt adherence. That's a fancy way of saying it actually does what you ask. The old versions would give you random stuff. You'd ask for a dog and get a cat. Now it listens, especially when you give it reference images. And it has three new modes. First mode is ingredients to video. You upload up to 3 images, could be product shots, could be your client's logo, could be a person's face. Then you write a prompt. Veo 3.1 combines them into a video. This is massive for agencies and UGC creators. Second mode is first and last frame. You give it a starting image and an ending image. It fills in the middle. So if you want a product to go from point A to point B, you just show it both points. It does the rest. Third mode is scene extension. You have a video clip, you want it longer. Veo 3.1 takes the last second and keeps going. This is huge for making short clips into full videos. If you run an agency, you can now deliver video content way faster. Before you'd need a production team, camera, lighting, actors, location. Now you need a prompt. Your costs go down, your speed goes up, your margins get fat. If you make faceless YouTube videos, this is your gold mine. You don't need stock footage anymore. You don't need to pay for video subscriptions. You type what you want, you get it. And it looks better than stock footage because it's custom. If you do social media ads, especially UGC style ads, this changes everything. Clients want that authentic look. That person talking to camera about the product. You can generate that now. No need to hire creators, no need to coordinate shoots. Prompt it, done. Let me give you a real example. Say you have a client selling skincare. They want a UGC ad for TikTok, vertical format, 15 seconds. Before Veo 3.1, you'd hire a creator, pay them $200 to $500, wait for them to film, hope they do it right, then edit it. Now you write this prompt. A friendly young woman holds up a skincare bottle and smiles. She says, I used this for 1 week and my skin changed. Soft, natural light, home setting, gentle music, vertical format, done. You get your video in minutes, not days, not hundreds of dollars. Free right now on Genspark. All right, I need to tell you about something. If you want to scale your business and save hundreds of hours with AI automation, join my AI Profit Boardroom. This is where I show you how to get more customers using AI. We've got case studies, we've got workflows, we've got people making real money. The link is in the description. Check it out at school.com/AI Profit Lab. This is the best place to actually implement this stuff and see results. Now back to Veo 3.1. Let me walk you through the exact workflow step by step, no fluff. Step 1. Plan your concept. What do you need? A product demo, a social ad, a brand story. Write it down. Be specific. If it's for TikTok, you need vertical. If it's for YouTube, you need horizontal. If it's for Instagram, you might need square. Know this before you start. Also decide on length. The free version might cap you at 8 to 15 seconds. That's fine. Most social ads are 6 to 15 seconds anyway. Don't fight it. Use it. Step 2, write your prompt. This is where most people mess up. They write vague prompts like make me a video about skincare. That's trash. Be specific. Tell it exactly what you see in your head. The person, the product, the background, the lighting, the camera angle, the audio, the mood. Here's a good prompt. Close up of a sleek skincare bottle, rotating on white marble. Soft ambient light from the left. Voiceover says discover the glow you've been waiting for. Calm piano music in the background. See how specific that is? That's what gets you good results. Step 3, upload reference images if you have them. This is the ingredients to video mode. If your client gave you product photos, use them. If you have a logo, use it. If you have a person's headshot, use it. Veo 3.1 will work those into the video. This makes it look branded and professional. Step 4, choose your aspect ratio. For TikTok and Instagram Reels, go 9:16. That's vertical. For YouTube, go 16:9. That's horizontal. For Instagram feed, go 1:1. That's square. Don't guess. Know your platform. Step 5, hit generate, then wait. It might take a few minutes. Don't refresh the page, let it cook. Step 6, when you get your video, don't just post it raw. Import it into your editing software. I use Premiere. You might use DaVinci or Final Cut or CapCut. Doesn't matter. Add your text overlays, add your call to action, add your branding, add your logo. Color grade it if you need to, make it match your style. Step 7, export in the right format. If it's for paid ads, you need high quality. If it's for organic social, you can go a bit lower. Always export multiple versions, a 6-second version, a 15-second version, a 30-second version. Different platforms like different lengths. Step 8, deliver to your client or post it yourself. Then track the results. If it performs well, save that prompt. Use it again. Build a library of prompts that work. Now, let me give you 3 business prompts you can use right now. Copy these, modify them, make money with them. Prompt 1, UGC product demo. A friendly young woman in her late 20s holds up a skincare bottle and smiles at the camera. Neutral background. She says, I used this for 1 week and my skin completely changed. Soft, natural light, ambient home setting, gentle acoustic music, vertical 9:16 format. She looks genuine and happy. Prompt 2, social ad vertical. Vertical 9:16 video. A smartwatch floats in midair with sparkles around it. Dynamic camera push-in. Voiceover says introducing the all-new SmartFit smartwatch. Your life simplified. High-energy electronic music. Bold white typography appears at the end saying shop now. Modern and sleek vibe. Prompt 3, brand story. Wide shot of a diverse team in a bright modern office. They're high-fiving and celebrating. The founder speaks to camera and says, at our company, we believe innovation meets purpose. Warm, cinematic color grading, subtle, inspirational music, 16:9 format for YouTube, professional but authentic feel. See how detailed those are? That's what works. Don't be lazy with prompts. The better your prompt, the better your video. So to recap, Veo 3.1 is Google's new AI video model. It's free on Genspark until November 3rd. It generates videos from text or images with native audio. It has 3 modes: ingredients to video, first and last frame, and scene extension. You can use this for agencies, faceless channels, social ads, UGC content, and more. Write detailed prompts, use reference images, choose the right aspect ratio, edit the output, deliver to clients or post it yourself, build a prompt library, scale your services. This is the biggest AI video opportunity right now. Don't sleep on it. Go make something, test it, see what works, then do it again.